And the award goes to... Hey everybody, I'm Eva Zacharia, and today on Weddings Made Easy, we're getting your big day red carpet ready with chocolate award statue favors. Let's get started. I have a plastic award statue mold from a specialty cake store in New York City, but you can find similar ones online. I'm making yellow award statues today, but I just wanted you to see some other color choices. Dark chocolate, white chocolate, make these to your preference. I found that I need about 2/3 of a bag to fill all 4 awards. Put the candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl and heat in increments, stirring in between. I usually start with 45 seconds or a minute, then drop to 30, then do 10 to 15 if I still need more time. Have an oven mitt handy too, because the bowl can get hot. Spoon your melted chocolate into each mold. You can spread it around a bit to make things easier. I keep a paper towel nearby for resting the spoon in between microwave sessions and wiping excess chocolate. Once the mold is full, tap it a few times to get rid of any bubbles. Then put it in the freezer. Since these are large pieces, I leave them in there for 30 minutes. While each batch of chocolate sets, you can work on the thank you tags for your bags. I'll cover all packaging later in the video, but for now, here's what happens after 30 minutes in the freezer. The chocolate starts to detach right away, so to avoid your statues breaking, here's my trick. Grab a paper towel and a baking sheet or any flat surface that's big enough to cover the mold. Loosen them carefully and let each one fall onto your surface. Before bagging, let them rest so that they come closer to room temperature and you don't risk condensation inside your treat bags. Which brings us to time to make these look pretty. When it comes to tags, I have a few different colors of paper to show you how different looks can work. Red for the red carpet, black to represent a tuxedo, white, and then yellow. If you are going to make tags for your wedding and other events, I think it's worth it to invest in a tag cutter like this one. Just use a coupon. I got 60% off of this. It was originally $26. Purchasing your own cardstock, especially with a more basic color like white, along with this puncher is a fast and easy way to make tags. You should get 9 tags out of each piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. If you're really feeling ambitious, go for 12. And definitely budget for a few mistake tags as you get the hang of it. I cut the paper into thirds like this and then punch. Once the tags are punched, it's easy to remove them. Flip over, slide the plastic up, and take them out. Watch your fingers. Grab a hole punch, line up your tag in the center, and there you go. When it comes to writing thank you, this is a good spot to ask a friend with handwriting you like to help you out if you don't feel confident you can do it yourself. You can also write with a pencil first and then lightly erase. Just make sure your ink dries first so you don't get smears like this one. Here are all the color options I have today, along with a few different markers. I especially love this yellow paper because one side is shiny. Definitely use permanent marker on any shinier paper. Experiment with different styles of text and markers to figure out what works best for your vision. You can do that on scrap paper before you get started. If you're using a gold marker, you may have to do 2 coats. Just let them dry in between. On the black paper, I love the white pen. And how cool is this? There's something awesome about watching it dry and seeing the text really come to life. As you can see, there are so many options. To finish off your favors, place them into individual clear plastic bags. I bought a pack of 50 that was inexpensive. Use a ribbon in the color of your choice and tie the top closed. I double knot it, then grab my tag, tie it one more time, and make my bow. I've packaged these up with both red and gold ribbon, as well as all the different tags I made today to give you an idea of what your favors might look like with different styles. The supplies list is linked in the video description, and within that blog post you'll also find new ideas for the tags. For more, head to MadeEasyDIY.com, at Weddings Made Easy on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy crafting!